When you look at a birth chart for the first time, it looks like a mysterious cosmic clock divided into 12 distinct sections. Most people know their sun sign, but your sun sign is only a tiny snapshot of your complete astrological picture. To truly understand who you are and how your life unfolds, you need to understand the 12 houses of the birth chart. Each house represents a specific field of experience, from your personal identity to your career and inner spiritual life. Think of the birth chart as a wheel representing a complete circle of the sky captured at the exact moment of your birth. The 12 houses are the stage settings where the planets act out their symbolic roles. The planets show what kind of energy is active, while the houses show where in your life that energy shows up. Before diving into individual houses, remember the 3 core pillars of any chart: the sun, the moon, and the rising sign. Your sun sign reveals your fundamental identity, core purpose, and vital creative energy. Your moon sign reflects your emotional inner world, instincts, and what makes you feel safe and nurtured. Your rising sign, or ascendant, marks the eastern horizon at your birth and shapes how you present yourself to the world. The rising sign also determines which zodiac sign rules your first house, setting the entire wheel in motion. Let us journey through each of the 12 houses to see how they map out human experience. The first house is the house of self, physical appearance, personal identity, and first impressions. It shows how you approach new beginnings and how others perceive your initial presence. The second house governs personal values, earned wealth, material possessions, and feelings of self-worth. It reveals how you build security and what you value most deeply in your daily life. The third house covers communication, local environment, siblings, short trips, and early learning. It reflects your mindset, how you gather information, and how you share ideas with people around you. The fourth house sits at the bottom of the chart, representing home, roots, family, and your emotional foundation. It describes your private life, your ancestral lineage, and what brings you true inner comfort. The fifth house is the vibrant space of creativity, self-expression, romance, play, and joy. It reveals how you express your authentic spark and what brings genuine delight to your heart. The sixth house handles daily routine, health habits, work environment, and practical service to others. It shows how you organize your everyday life and care for your physical body. The seventh house sits directly across from the first, representing committed partnerships, marriage, and close legal agreements. It mirrors what qualities you seek in significant others and how you balance give and take. The eighth house moves into shared resources, deep transformation, intimacy, and profound personal growth. It deals with vulnerability, shared investments, and letting go of old patterns to rebuild stronger. The ninth house expands your vision through higher education, philosophy, travel, and belief systems. It represents your search for meaning and your desire to understand the world beyond familiar horizons. The 10th house stands at the very top of the chart, marking your career, public reputation, and long-term legacy. It indicates your ambitions, how you contribute to society, and what you build over a lifetime. The 11th house is the realm of community, friendships, collective goals, and future aspirations. It shows where you find your tribe and how you collaborate with others for a shared vision. The 12th house completes the circle, governing the subconscious mind, solitude, spiritual reflection, and hidden strengths. It is a quiet space where you release what no longer serves you and restore your spirit. When analyzing your own chart, notice where planets are grouped together in specific houses. A house with multiple planets highlights an area of life where much of your focus and growth will occur. An empty house does not mean that area of life is neglected or unimportant. It simply means energy flows through that house more naturally without intense planetary focus. Look to the sign ruling the cusp of an empty house to understand its underlying tone and style. Notice also the angular houses, which are the 1st, 4th, 7th, and 10th houses. Angular houses represent active pillars of life where events manifest with clear visibility and impact. Succedent houses, which are the 2nd, 5th, 8th, and 11th, help consolidate and maintain stability. Cadent houses, including the 3rd, 6th, 9th, and 12th, adapt and prepare you for the next shift. Understanding this rhythm helps you navigate different phases of growth with greater clarity and grace. A birth chart is not a rigid prediction of your destiny. Instead, it is a map of potential, offering self-awareness and practical insight into your natural tendencies. When you learn to read the houses, you stop viewing astrology as random horoscopes. You begin seeing the interconnected landscape of your personal journey written in the stars. Take time to explore your own chart with curiosity and patience. Start by identifying your rising sign and locating the house where your sun resides. Observe how these placements reflect your daily experiences, career goals, and personal relationships. Over time, the 12 houses become a familiar lens for self-discovery and personal reflection. May this guide inspire you to look deeper into your unique cosmic blueprint.